Okay, here we go. Here's the last chain, 2 space. We're going to do a single crochet, 3 double crochets. This 1, 2, 3, and 1 more single crochet. Okay, in the instructions it says to um, slip stitch into the first single crochet that you need in the round. Okay, so I'm going to slip stitch. Alright, now the instruction is saying for round 4 to slip stitch in each of the first 2 double crochets. Okay, so we're going to slip stitch into the first 2. That will put us in the center spot of the round 3. So slip stitch into 1, slip stitch into 2. Okay, now we're at the top of the second double crochet. We're going to chain 3. 3. Okay. And we're going to do 4 double crochets. 4 double crochets in the same space as last slip stitch. So we're going to 1. Well, that count as 2 actually. Let's just count as the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here's the tricky part. We're going to insert our hook into space here. And we're going to do a stitch that will make it puff up like this on round 4. A little popcorn stitch there. Alright, so what we're going to do is drop our loop off the hook, and then we're going to insert our hook from front to back in the top of the chain 3 space right here. And then we're going to put our loop back on the hook, pull through, okay, and we're going to pull that's the beginning of a popcorn stitch. We're going to chain 3, 2, 3, and then we're going to it's actually chain 5, so that's 2 more. Miss the next 4 stitches, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would basically put us at the top of each of the round 3 double crochets. Okay, so we'll skip and go to the top of the second double crochet, and we will go in, wrap over, go in and make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make your loop a little big. Alright, and on the first one, we're going to go in between that one, the first and the second one there. And we're going to grab that loop that we dropped, if mine would let me. Okay. Oh goodness. There we go. I'm going to try that again. Sometimes I stitch so tight. We'll get that drop loop, pull it through. Okay, I can't get it for some reason. OMG-ness. Okay, let's try that again. See how you can mess up when you're trying to do your best. Alright, we're going to chain 5 at the top. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go on the top of the next stitch here in row 3. It's going to be on the top of the third or the second double crochet. We're going to do a 4 double crochets total. It is getting very dark outside. Surprisingly, we have a thunderstorm here. And it's taking all the nice sun away. Wow, and the temperature is dropping like crazy. I am freezing already. Okay, drop our loop. Go through between the first and the second double crochet. Put your loop back on your hook. And pull it through. Ooh, these popcorn stitches are just hard to do sometimes. Okay, we'll pull it through, and we're going to crochet 5 single stitches. That's 4, 5. And we're going to do this in the round again. We're going to start with the top one. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's getting so dark outside. Top one of the second double crochet in each one here. And I will see you back in a little while. Okay, we're doing round 4 or row 5. It's more or less a round, but okay. We are doing a popcorn stitch for row 4, or round 4. So just to show you again, because I also noticed I was having a problem with doing the first stitch on the top of round 3's double crochet. Hold the stitch into place, yarn over, go on top of the double crochet, pull through, and then it'll twist a little bit there. And then you can yarn over without having it all tangled up on you. And do the 4 double crochets. That'll help out with the twisting of the thread. Make it a little bit easier. Okay, make a large loop. Grab onto the loop, pull, snug a little bit, and pull through. And chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hold that into place. Your loop into place, yarn over, and then go through the top of the double crochet. Try to keep it in place so it won't twist. Go through 2, go through 2. And then we're going to do 3 more. The thread is sneaking up on me here. Okay, and I have 1 more to do in this one. back, grab onto the loop, or hook onto the loop, pull through, chain 5. There we go. 4, 5, and then hold, wrap around on the top of the second double crochet in round 3, pull through. This one still twist on here, and go through 2, go through 2, and we'll do 3 more double crochets in the same space. We're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to connect that to top area of the first popcorn stitch. So we're going to slip stitch that there. Okay. Slip stitch. Oh wow, I'm having one of those days. That's okay. Alright. Slip stitch on top. And this is what it should look like if I didn't use this one. Yeah, I did do a popcorn stitch on that last one there. So let's go back. Yep, I forget to. Most cases when I'm trying to show someone how to do something, I tend to forget those. But here we go. Here's our popcorn stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going back into a different loop area because that didn't look too neat. So it stopped thundering, which is funny. I messed up again. Oh my goodness, it's one of those days, I'm telling you. I'm going to go easy around and do what I did in the first one. There we go. Now, this is the way round 5 is supposed to look. Or round 4 is supposed to look. Right? That is the side that will be facing you when you're working on your project. Okay, so let's start on round 5. Now round 5 says to slip stitch in each of the first 3 chains of the chain 5. So slip stitch in each of the first 3 chains of chain 5. We're going to just slip stitch 3 times into the space. It's kind of hard to get into those little bitty spaces on the chain 5. And slip stitch 3 times. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Okay. And then we're going to chain 1. And then we're going to single crochet in the same space of last stitch. So we're going to single crochet and then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Okay? Single crochet in each chain 5 space. And then we're going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single crochet. We just chain 5 space and chain 8. Okay. Now we're going to continue to do this all the way around. And I will meet you back to do round 6. Alright. Okay. We are at the end of row 5. Now we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet. You want to hold your loop and slip stitch into there. And your single crochet. And then we're starting round 6 and we're going to chain 1. Okay? And we're going to slip stitch into the chain 8 space here. Slip stitch. And we're going to do 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, then 7 double crochets, and then we're going to do 2 more half double crochets. So, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet at the end. So we'll do that. So we're going to chain 1. Okay. We're going to do 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, and then we're going to do 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the string is getting tight, 7, and now we're going to do 2 more half double crochets. I'm sorry. 2 more half double crochets. And a single crochet. Okay? And that is what we're looking for in the pattern. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing in the next chain 8 space right here. So we're going to do 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 7 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, and then 1 single crochet. So here we go. Single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and then 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to do 2 half double crochets, 1, go through all 3, 2, and then we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, that's what it started to look like. Next chain 8 space, we will do a single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 2, and then seven double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, that's strange, 6, 7, 2 half double crochets, oh, I messed up. This is my second half double crochet, and then a single crochet. Okay. There are 3 done here. I will meet you back at the end, and we will start row around 7. Okay, meet you back. All right. So here we are at the end of round 6. We're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. Okay, so here we are. We're going to slip stitch. I already cut mine off. I messed up here. Alright, and then we're going to, I fastened off already, so I had to redo this. So what we're going to do is go through the loop again. This is where you can cut off from the burgundy or your primary color, and then we'll leave that hanging there. We'll stitch it in the last of the tutorial. So round 7, it says to join your other color, thread in the center of the round 6. So we're going to join our color here. We got a loop on there. We're going to drop the tail, and then we're going to stitch 1. Okay, or chain 1, and then in the same space we're going to single crochet in the same space. Okay, and then it says to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it says to miss the next 2 double crochets. And then we're going to yarn over, draw through 2 loops. I'm sorry, miss the next 2 double crochets. And go through the loop, the third one from the top here. Pull through, and then we're going to pull through. Yarn over, go through, third stitch from there, pull through. That's why it's looking funny, it's wrapping around. So technically we have 3 stitches on the hook. Go through 2. Okay. And then we want to miss the next 6 stitches. So we have 3 stitches on this side, and the next 3 stitches on this side, and we'll go into the 7th stitch, and we're going to yarn over, go through the 7th stitch, come through, and this thread will turn on you, so be careful. Then we're going to go through 2, and then we're going to go through 3. Okay? And that's the stitch we're looking for there. And then we're going to yarn over. We draw through all loops on the hook, and that will make our two double crochet together. That's what we need. So what we need to make is we chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we miss 2 double crochets. 1, 2. That'll put us at the top of our row 6 stitch. We'll yarn over, and we'll do a single crochet. Okay. And we'll chain 6 more. And then we'll skip 2, and we'll yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, and it will twist on you, so be careful. Go through 2. We'll still have 2 stitches on the hook. Then we'll skip 6 stitches, and we'll start on the other side in the 7th stitch, yarn over, go through, and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through 2, and then yarn over. We'll go through the last 3 stitches on the hook. We'll chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll skip 2 stitches. We'll single crochet at the top. Okay, then we'll chain 6 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll skip 2, and we'll go in the 3rd one. So we'll yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through 2. Then we'll miss the next 6 stitches. And that's including that middle one there. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, there's a middle one there right in the center. So we miss those 3. And we'll go into the 7th stitch. We'll yarn over. Go through the 7th stitch. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through 2. And then yarn over. Pull through 3. Okay, let's try that again. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over. Oh, no. What we're going to do is go miss 2 stitches and go through the top stitch. Do our single crochet. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to miss 2 again. We're going to go into the 3rd one, and we're going to do double crochet. Or we're going to double crochet 2 double crochets together. Okay, so there we go, twisting again. We're going to go through 2. Okay, we're going to miss the next 6 stitches. Go into the 7th stitch. We still have 2 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, go through the 7th stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. skip 2 stitches, one to the top stitch, do a single crochet. Okay. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the next 2 and we're going to double crochet 2 double crochets together. Go through, and then we're going to yarn over and go through 2. We're going to have 2 hooks stuck, 2 stitches still on the hook. We're going to yarn over, miss the next 6 stitches, and go through the 7th stitch. And then you go through that 7th stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 stitches. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Maybe if I turn on the light, it's dark in here. It's bright, it's dark, it's bright, it's dark. You know, Seattle, that's what it does. So here we go. This is what it's supposed to look like. And I will see you at the end of round 7. And we will continue on.